Hello viewers, once again welcome back with a new topic, that is capitalization of super profit under valuation of goodwill. This is part 5. Part 1 is related to overview of valuation of goodwill. Part 2 is related to average profit method. Part 3 is related to weighted average profit method, and part 4 is related to the super profit method. All these link will be in the description box. You can go through it, you can refer it. Then today we shall discuss with the capitalization of super profit under valuation of goodwill. First we shall discuss the meaning part. Under this method, the value of goodwill of the business is ascertained by capitalizing the amount of super profit at the normal rate of return. That means the capitalization of super profit is the relation between capitalizing the amount of super profit and the normal rate of return. The relation between these two aspects will be the capitalization of super profit of goodwill. This method tries to find out the amount of capital needed for earning the super profit. This method is helpful to find out the amount for the business, how much amount is needed for the business to earning the super profit for the company. It will helpful to find out the amount which will be helpful to run the business. Um, to find out that amount by way of to earn the super profit. To earning the super profit, how much capital is needed, which will be find out by this method. And this method is based on the assumption that super profit will be continuous for the indefinite period of time. That means for applying this method, the company assumed that for the upcoming years, the company definitely earn the super profit for the indefinite period of time. Means there is no loss for the company. It is the main assumption. On this assumption only we can apply this method. Without this assumption, we can't apply this method for the valuation of the goodwill. Once again I am repeating the assumption, because it is the important aspect of capitalization of super profit method. The assumption is company assumed that for the upcoming years there will be definitely a super profit. There is no loss for the company, and also for the indefinite period of time company definitely earn the super profit. On this assumption, company may apply the capitalization of super profit method to value the goodwill of the company. To value the goodwill of the company, the formula is super profit and into 100 divided by normal rate of return. As I discussed in the meaning aspect of the company, it is the relation between super profit and 100 divided by normal rate of return. That will give the goodwill of the company. Then we shall discuss one small problem that will helpful to easily understanding of the concept. The problem is very simplest problem will be there. See here. From the following information, calculate the value of the goodwill of the business by the capitalization of super profit method. The profit earned during the past 4 years is 2010, 42,000, 2011, 84,000, 2012, 63,000, 2013, it is 91,000. And second information is the firm has the average capital employed in the business is rupees 4,20,000. The rate of return on capital investment is 8% per annum and risk premium expected is 2%. This is about normal rate of return. The normal rate of return on capital investment is 8% and risk premium is on 2%. The total of these two, 8% plus 2% is equal to total 10% is the normal rate of return. That will helpful to find out the normal profit of the company. The rate of return on capital investment is, that is as I told, 8% and expected earning is 2%. The fourth information is the landlord has decided to increase the rent of the shop building is rupees 7,000 per annum. This is all about the problem. Then we shall discuss related to the solution part. The first step is the calculation of average profit. To find out the average profit, what is the formula? Formula will be average profit is equal to profit of past year divided by number of years. Past year profits they are given 42,000, 84,000, 63,000, and last year it is 91,000. Divided by number of year is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years divided by 4. Total of 4 years profit is 2,80,000 divided by number of year is 4. 2,80,000 divided by 4 is equal to 70,000. This is about the average profit. Adjusted average profit is equal to average formula is average profit minus rent of the building. Average profit is 70,000, just we had calculated. Rent of any expenses is there, you should deduct it from the average profit. That will give the adjusted average profit. Here the expense is the rent of the building as given in the problem. It is 7,000. The rent of the shop building is rupees 7,000 per annum. That if that amount is deducted from the average profit, you will get the adjusted average profit, that is 63,000. Then move with the second step, calculation of normal profit. Normal profit is equal to average profit employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Average capital employed as they are given in the problem, it is 4,20,000. 4,20,000 into 100 10 divided by 100. 10% is the normal rate of return. See here, 8% is the capital investment return and 2% is the risk premium expected. 8 plus 2 is 10%. 10 divided by 100, that's equal to 42,000 is the normal profit. The third step is to find out the super profit of the company. That is super profit of the company. Calculation of super profit. Super profit equal to simple formula adjusted average profit minus normal profit. Adjusted average profit is 63,000 minus normal profit is 42,000. The difference between these two is 21,000 is the super profit. Finally, the calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit is 21,000 into 100 divided by normal rate of return is 10. 100 divided by 10, that's equal to 2,10,000 is the goodwill of the company. This is all about problematic aspect of the capitalization of super profit method. If you have any doubts, any queries, please write it on the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.